Now I'm going to show you how to create professional flyers in Canva. Flyers are one of the best ways to promote events, products, or services, and Canva makes the process simple even if you've never designed before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design a flyer that looks print-ready and eye-catching. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Start by going to Canva and typing flyer in the search bar. You'll instantly see hundreds of pre-sized templates. Choose one that fits your purpose, whether it's for a business, an event, or a product launch. Once you've opened the template, update the headline first. This should be the most attention-grabbing part of your flyer. For example, grand opening, summer sale, or live concert. Use bold, clear fonts that can be read from a distance. Next, add supporting details: date, time, location, contact info, or any call to action like shop now or visit our website. Keep these details short and to the point. Keep in mind that flyers are meant to be scanned quickly. For visuals, upload your own photos or use Canva stock images. If it's a business flyer, include product images or team photos. If it's an event flyer, use imagery that reflects the theme. Balance your design by using grids and spacing. Don't overcrowd your flyer. White space makes it more professional. Stick to a color palette of 2 to 3 colors to avoid overwhelming the viewer. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. When you're done, click Share, choose Download, and select PDF Print for high-quality printing and JPG or PNG for digital sharing. And there you have it. You've just created a professional flyer in Canva that you can print, share online, or use to spread the word about your event or business. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.